How to increase M1P. In this video, we'll show you how to make one purlwise M1P by working through the horizontal bar between two stitches in the row below. Increasing stitches can either be left-leaning or right-leaning. We'll show you how to create the left-leaning M1P. Follow your pattern until you reach the M1P abbreviation. Instead of inserting your right needle into the next stitch on your left needle, you'll pick up the strand between the stitch on your right needle and the next one on your left needle. Lift this strand up with the tip of your left needle from front to back. Then purl into the back leg of the loop. And slip it off your left needle. You've now completed the left-leaning M1P increase. Continue knitting until you reach the next M1P in your project. Let's do one more M1P together. Using the tip of your left needle, lift the strand between the stitches from front to back onto your left needle. Then purl into the back leg to complete this new stitch. Slide the loop off your left hand needle. You can now create a left-leaning make one purlwise increase.